Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I make a quick weeknight meal, making some smothered chicken legs in the crock pot. Very easy to do. As a busy mom, I know I don't have time every day to stand over the stove and cook, but this recipe is very simple to make. So if you want to see how I made these smothered chicken legs, just keep watching. So I'm starting out with some freshly cleaned and washed chicken legs, and I also took the skin off. So basically these are skinless chicken legs. So I'm going to go ahead and season them. I usually use salt, pepper, a little bit of Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder. I did also put a little bit of sazon just for the orange coloring, and you can use whatever seasonings that you prefer in your household, but this is just how I season mine. You see here that I also added some oil and some flour. Adding some flour to the chicken and in the crock pot will make the gravy. Once I add the broth into the crock pot, using the flour will help it make its gravy. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken legs to my crock pots. Once I add them to the crock pot, I'm going to add some more flour, some chicken broth, and then some pats of butter. So I add butter, chicken broth, and flour, and I just let this cook on high for 4 hours. Now, please know that you can add any add-ins that you want. If you want to add some onions and green peppers, please do that at this point. Whatever you choose to add in to make your smothered chicken is up to you, but I just added the seasoned chicken, some chicken broth, butter, flour, and that's it. Now, guys, let me know in the comments below your thoughts on this very controversial topic about crock pots. Some say you shouldn't be clamping your crock pot closed. That's only for when you're transporting it. And some say we do. In my opinion, I feel like it doesn't get as hot on the inside unless I clamp it. But let me know in the comments below what's your thought on closing your crock pot. Should it just be for transporting it to another place or leaving it? Because of course they say it can explode if your crock pot is sealed shut. But to me, in my opinion, my crock pot just does not stay hot unless the sides are clamped. All right, the 4 hours are done, guys. And look, once I open up the lid, looks so good. The chicken has already fallen apart even in the crock pot. And that's what we're going for. We're going for a chicken that just falls off the bone, and then you can just pair it with your favorite sides. So what I paired mine with was some green beans that I made in the Instant Pot, and I also had some garlic mashed potatoes. But please, you can pair this chicken with whatever you want, rice, whatever you choose. Guys, so tender, so easy to do. Set it, forget it for 4 hours. And then by the time 4 hours are done, you have some delicious tender chicken with a little gravy that it made as well. So guys, let me know in the comments below again your thoughts. What is one of your go-to easy weeknight meals that you like to make? But thank you guys for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love for you to be a part of the community. But until next time, you guys be blessed. Bye.